Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable or disable the JavaScript execution in Samsung Internet Browser. Open your Samsung browser, tap on this 3 bar, go to settings, and in the setting, if you scroll down, you will see this option called as Sites and Downloads. Tap on it, and here you have the third option, Site Permissions. Open that. In the third option, you can see Allow JavaScript, which is by default enabled. If you want to disable the JavaScript, what you can do is you can just turn off this switch and it will block the JavaScript. So in this way you can customize the option, but it's not recommended to keep the JavaScript disabled because it will conflict with the modern websites which heavily rely on JavaScript. So just keep this option enabled. Just in case if you're not feeling comfortable, then you can just disable the JavaScript option. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you, cheers, and have a great day.